Good evening, everyone. Uh, Today I am come up with a very short presentation on essential oils as a safer alternative to chemical preservatives. As we all know that why chemical preservatives are added in different types of food products, especially the processed food products, to increase their shelf life as well as to provide a very good texture in appearance. But with the advancement in technologies, we have come to know that these chemical preservatives have different types of side effects, and this side effects thing has uh, created we can say awareness among the consumer to go towards the natural preservatives as an option, in which essential oils also come as a potential candidate. Essential oils, we always think about essential oils, so we restricted our thinking or our perspective to the aromatherapy part or the uh, fragrance part, but well, our scientific community has explored other properties also, in which food preservative properties is also one of them. So, what are essential oils? Essential oils are the mixtures of volatile components present in the plant extract, and they are essential because they provide the essence to the plant. Essence are mostly related to the aroma of that plant, and they are different. They are we can say they are differ from the fixed oils. Plant fixed oils because of their chemical composition, because fixed oils are esters of glycerol and fatty acids. And from the history point of view, Greek, Romans have mentioned the use of essential oils for different types of therapeutic properties. Especially at that point, this is a mode. This is a this is used for the fragrance properties, but uh, nowadays, their antimicrobial, antioxidant, and other properties are also explored. But the results are not very, we can say, uh, at the higher end. But yes, clinical trials and more safety assessments are needed for making it a very potential candidates for different therapeutic properties. Here we are talking about its food preservative properties. So in plants, their function is to protect and to attract. And the second portion of my presentation includes the preservative words, which is according to FSSAI, preservative means a substance which, when added to a food, is capable of inhibiting, retarding, or arresting the process of fermentation, acidification, or other decomposition of food. And for all of us, when we talk about preservative properties, so at in our mind, the preservatives which come into our mind are mostly the chemical preservatives. They are we can say they are very lesser in number, the preservatives which have a natural origin. Most of them are. Uh, most of them are of chemical origin, like BHT, BHA, like butylated hydroxy toluene, butylated hydroxyanisole, propyl gallate, and other preservatives are frequently different types of nitrates, benzoates are used, which have a we can say a synthetic origin. Or the basic we can say the pros of chemical preservatives, because uh, we are using chemical preservatives and we are still using, and hopefully, or we can say in future also, we are going to use these type of preservatives. The pros of these chemical preservatives include that they provide a very broad spectrum of preservation, and they act against different types of bacterial pathogens which are present in food, and they are cost effective in nature. And for example, like we have ascorbic acid, benzoic acid, potassium propionate, we have THBQ, tert butyl hydroxyquinone. So all these are chemical preservatives. The potential risk about these preservatives are they are found to have carcinogenic effect. They are not good for our environment, and the perception about natural product is increasing day by day. We have seen in COVID also. We have come back to our different types of traditional medicine system, either drinking the different types of kadha or other uh, drinks for boosting our immunity. So all these things are more acceptable because of their natural origin. Side effects include cytotoxic effects. They enhancement of carcinogenesis, which is 1500-fold greater than in human when they are exposed to human, and it suppress the humoral immunity. Different types of harmful effect includes ADHD, autism, PDD, irritability, and infection, dyslexia, headaches, eczema. So these are some of the side effects that are reported in recent years about these chemical preservatives. So that's why we are finding the alternatives in which essential oils also come as a potential candidate. Essential oils as a preservatives, it prevents pathogens growth, it improves nutritional and functional properties, it improves sensory characteristics, and it extends the shelf life. So these are the big focus of the use of essential oils as preservatives. Different essential oils derived from clove, basil, black cumin, cinnamon, oregano, rosemary, salvia, spearmint, thyme is used for their preservative properties, and a lot of work has been done, especially against in milk products and different, we can say, meat products and other things. So they have given a positive results regarding the preservative properties. This is one of the pie chart which shows the Indian essential oils market and which are using different types of essential oil. Either it is citrus, eucalyptus, clove, peppermint, basil, spearmint, sandalwood, and other. And the application in which these oils are used are basically food, beverages, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, aromatherapy. The future of this essential oil market is also growing, and people are taking it seriously beyond the aromatherapy part. When we talk about different types of application, how these essential oils has been used as an emulsion, as a polymeric matrix, as a microencapsulation, as edible film coating, and it extends the shelf life of the products, and it inhibits the growth of molds and fungi. It protects against microorganisms, and it increases bioactive compounds of the food matrix. So these are some of the basic advantages of using essential oils. And because essential oils have antioxidant as well as antimicrobial properties, so these both properties are one of the, we can say, pillars for the uh, food preservative methods, because the antioxidant method or the antioxidant properties help to increase the shelf life of that food, and antimicrobial properties inhibit the growth of different types of pathogens. This is the antimicrobial action of essential oils, in which destruction of outer membranes of pathogens, alterations in percentage of fatty acids, inhibition of cytoplasmic cell division, inhibition of sensing. It inhibits different types of efflux pump. It inhibits receptor modifier, and it inhibits drug degrading enzymes. So all these effects collectively inhibits the growth of pathogens. The As we know that these essential oils are natural in origin, but they come up with also some side effects, or we can say we can't use these essential oils without any proper, we can say, instructions, or without knowing about these essential oils. So safety tips, or we can say safety concerns, which are still in radar, and in which area we have to do more work for making it more good candidate for natural preservatives. as the large-scale application of essential oil and its various forms need an elaborate safety assessment taking into account the toxic effect on the human models. And although Food Drug Administration has uh, kept in these essential oils in GRAS, which means generally recognized as safe, but still uh, seeing the different types of allergic reaction, phototoxic reactions in essential oils, we can't proceed without any solid data or without any proper safety assessment regarding these essential oils. So going natural, or we can say going to this candidate, this potential candidate, there has its own challenges. Like volatility is one of the factor. Volatility, fast instability in presence of light, oxygen, moisture, highly concentrated, having strong odor. So these are some of this we can say not side effects, yeah, but the demerits of the essential oils. And so overcoming these uh, hurdles, we can make essential oil as a very good potential candidate of safer alternatives of preservatives. And in this we can say path, we are using different types of nano emulsions for overcoming these hurdles like volatility and instability. Different types of micro emulsions, nano emulsions, nano encapsulation has been used in different studies for making essential oils effective as preservatives. This is one of my review paper that has been published in Journal of Food Processing and Preservation, in which I have written a comprehensive review article on the functional role of essential oil as an effective alternative of synthetic food preservative. These are some of the review references, and thank you so much. I hope you like this video and got some idea about the essential oils as food preservatives. Thank you.